What? What are you talking about? Who is no more?
What are you talking about? ته د څه باره کې خبرې کوي؟ Who is no more? څوک نور نشته. د دې مطلب دا دی یعنی څوک مړ شوی دی.
Your mom is no more. She has bled a lot. We could not save her.
Your mom is no more. ستا مور نور نشته یعنی مړه شوې ده. She has bled a lot. له هغې څخه ډېره وینه تللې ده. We could not save her. موږ ونه شو کولی چې هغه وژغورو.
No. This cannot be happening. I cannot believe this.
No, نه. This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی. I cannot believe this. زه په دې باندې یقین نشم کولی. Believe ویل کېږي یقین کول.
I am so sorry to hear that. Your mom was a nice lady.
I am so sorry to hear that. زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم چې دا مې واورېده. Your mom was a nice lady. ستا مور ډېره ښه ښځه وه.
She is lying. My mom cannot leave me alone.
She is lying. هغه دروغ وایي. My mom cannot leave me alone. زما مور نشي کولی چې ما یوازې پرېږدي. Leave ویل کېږي پرېښودل او alone ویل کېږي یوازې.
I want to meet my mom. Mom, where are you?
I want to meet my mom. زه غواړم چې له خپلې مور سره ملاقات وکړم. مورې where are you? ته چېرته یې؟
Your mom is no more Judy.
Your mom is no more Judy. ستا مور نور نشته جوډي یعنی مړه شوې ده.
No. You are lying. I cannot believe this.
No, نه. You are lying. ته دروغ وایې. I cannot believe this. زه په دې یقین نشم کولی.
My mom cannot leave me alone. I cannot live without her.
My mom cannot leave me alone. زما مور نشي کولی ما یوازې پرېږدي. I cannot live without her. زه نشم کولی د هغې نه بغیر ژوند وکړم یعنې ووسېږم.
You have to pull yourself together. Your mom was a nice lady.
You have to pull yourself together. ته باید خپل ځان سنبال کړې او خاموشه اوسې. Your mom was a nice lady. ستا مور یوه ډېره ښه ښځه وه.
This cannot be happening. I want to meet my mom. Where is she?
This cannot be happening. دا نشي واقع کېدلی. I want to meet my mom. زه غواړم چې له خپلې مور سره ملاقات وکړم. Where is she? هغه چېرته ده؟
Your mom was not missing. We went to your house.
Your mom was not missing. ستا مور ورکه نه وه. Missing ویل کېږي ورکېدل لاپته کېدل. We went to your house. موږ ستا کور ته تللي وو.
She fell down from the balcony. She was hiding from us.
She fell down from the balcony. هغه له برنډې څخه ولوېدله. بالکني ویل کېږي برنډې ته. She was hiding from us. هغه له موږ څخه پټېدله.
I want to meet my mom.
I want to meet my mom. زه غواړم چې له خپلې مور سره ملاقات وکړم یعنې ویې وینم.
Mom, where are you? You cannot leave me.
مورې where are you? ته چېرته یې؟ You cannot leave me. ته نشې کولی چې موږ پرېږدې.
Why did you leave me, Mom? I am all alone in the whole world.
Why did you leave me, Mom? تا ولې زه پرېښودلم مورې. I am all alone in the whole world. زه په ټوله دنیا کې بلکل یوازې یم.
I know you are teasing me. You are alive.
I know زه پوهېږم you are teasing me چې ته ما په عذابوې. Teasing ویل کېږي په عذابول. You are alive. ته ژوندی یې.
You have to talk to me, Mom. Why are you teasing me?
You have to talk to me, Mom. ته باید له ما سره خبرې وکړې مورې. Why are you teasing me? ته ولې ما تنګوي یعنې په عذابوي
me. I want to talk to you. You cannot leave me alone.
I want to talk to you. زه غواړم له تا سره خبرې وکړم. You cannot leave me alone. ته نشې کولی چې ما یوازې پرېږدې.
You are sleeping. I know you will talk to me.
You are sleeping. ته ویده یې. I know زه پوهېږم. You will talk to me. چې ته به له ما سره خبرې وکړې.
Open your eyes, Mom. You are my whole world.
Open your eyes, Mom. خپلې سترګې دې خلاصې کړه مورې. You are my whole world. ته زما ټوله دنیا یې.
Judy, you have to pull yourself together.
Judy, you have to. ته باید pull yourself together. خپل ځان باید سنبال کړې. یعنې خپل احساسات باید سنبال کړې او خاموشه اوسې.
Together. I am with you. You are not
I am with you. زه له تا سره یم. You are not alone. ته یوازې نه یې.
alone. You have to accept this truth. You have to be
You have to ته باید accept قبول کړې this truth دغه رښتیا. accept ول کېږي قبلولو ته او truth ول کېږي رښتیا ته. You have to be brave. ته باید زړور اوسې. brave ول کېږي زړور ته.
brave.
Hello, my son. Where have you been? Is Rose with
Hello my son. سلام زما زویا. Where have you been? ته چیرته وې؟ Is Rose with you? آیا روز تا سره ده؟
you?
Yes, Mom. Rose is with me. We are at the
Yes mom. هو مورې. Rose is with me. روز له ما سره ده. We are at the hospital. موږ په هسپتال کې یو.
hospital.
What? What are you doing there? How is
What are you doing there? تاسو هلته چیرې کوئ یا؟ Where is Rose? Rose چیرته ده؟ Sorry. How is Rose? Rose څنګه ده؟
Rose?
Rose is fine, Mom. Judy's mom is no more. She has left.
Rose is fine mom. Rose ښه ده مورې. Judy's mom is no more. د جوډي مور نور نشته یعنی مړه شوې ده. یعنی مړه شوه. She has left us. هغې موږ پرېښودلو.
Left us.
What? How is this possible? Did someone kill her? She was
What sir? How is this possible? دا څنګه ممکن ده؟ Possible ول کېږي ممکن ته. Did someone kill her? آیا چا هغه ووژله؟ She was missing. هغه خو ورکه وه.
missing.
She was not missing, Mom. I will tell you everything.
She was not missing mom. هغه ورکه نه وه مورې. I will tell you everything later. زه به تا ته هر څه وروسته ووایم. Later ول کېږي وروسته.
Later.
Come on, Judy. We have to
Come on Judy. راځه Judy. We have to go now. موږ باید اوس لاړ شو.
go now. Your mom was a good lady. She hired me when I was a
Your mom was a good lady. ستا مور یوه ښه ښځه وه. She hired me when I was a poor girl. زه هغې ونیولمه کله چې زه یوه غریبه جنۍ ومه. Hire ول کېږي ملګرو د یوې وظیفې لپاره څوک نیول او poor ول کېږي غریب ته.
poor girl.
You have to be brave,
You have to be brave Judy. ته باید زړور اوسې Judy.
Judy.